Hey guys, I'm going to do Pokemon EXs. So I'm going to show you about 6 EXs. So yeah. First is Blastoise. Now his Venusaur. Blastoise. Now here's Mega Aquan Goldline EX. God. Oh, of course, never tried this. It's my first EX series before. Kyogre. Really cool. And send people to sleep. Pretty good card. Pikachu, not that good for EX. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and smash that like button. Comment down below the name of the cards. No, where you get the cards from will be in the description below. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye.